Well, no complaints about today.
Yeah, gorgeous day that we had, and it was a cool day. So if you like today, boy, you're going to like tomorrow a lot.
Okay.
Just sleep in a little bit. You may skip the beginning of tomorrow because it's going to be a cold start.
That's the plan.
Yeah, that's always a good idea, especially on a cool night. You keep the windows open a crack, and it should be perfect. Now outside this evening, taking a live look, a lot of folks out and about. Temperatures have been falling quickly, though. Already down to 53. No wind here in downtown Austin. Humidity very low at 39% as well, and the pressure is rising as an area of high pressure is kind of parked right over us this evening, giving us ideal conditions to see a chilly night. Already down to 45 in Fredericksburg, 51 right now, Blanco, 46 in Georgetown, and 49 already in Giddings. Some of these numbers are already below normal for the overnight lows this time of the year. Normal low temperature is in the upper 40s, and we've gotten pretty much no wind across most of the area this evening. So we're going to see light winds to no wind, clear skies, and very dry air. So this is going to set us up for a very cold night tonight. A lot of times during the winter, we'll look at the dew point numbers or a measurement of how moist the air is, and this will kind of give us an indication of where low temperatures are going to be heading tonight. And some of these numbers are pretty consistent with what I'm forecasting for lows. Fredericksburg, dew point number about 32. They're going to be flirting with the freezing mark tonight in Fredericksburg. Could see numbers dropping down to about 34 out at the airport. That's about where the dew point number is right now. So we got a very dry air mass in place. The good news, however, is if we can all make it through tonight, tomorrow that very dry air mass is going to heat up real quick, and we're going to see a beautiful afternoon. You can see satellite and radar across the state. Hardly any cloud cover at all across the entire state of Texas. So we'll call for mainly clear skies tonight, very light winds. Now by tomorrow morning, we'll start to see a little bit of a west wind starting to develop, and that's going to kick this cold air mass off towards the east of us and start to bring in some warmer air tomorrow morning. So we're going to start off cold, but it's going to warm up very quickly tomorrow morning, and by the afternoon, we'll already be in the upper 60s and push into the low to mid 70s area wide tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, we'll see lighter winds once again, and a kind of a chilly night, not quite as cold to start off on Monday. And then Monday afternoon, the winds will start to pick up out of the south and east, and that'll get rid of those cold overnight lows, give us a little bit warmer mornings and a little bit of fog for Tuesday and Wednesday morning as well. So tonight, expecting mainly clear skies. It's going to be a beautiful looking night outside, especially if you're going to check out the stars or the planets. 40 for the overnight low, though, and out in the hill country, we could see numbers pushing to near freezing. Tomorrow, though, beautiful afternoon expected. 75 for the high temperature. We'll see west to southwest winds relatively light at about 3 to 6. Tomorrow night, we'll see temperatures dropping back into the 40s. We'll call for 45 to start the day on Monday, getting up to 76 in the afternoon. Morning fog will give way to mostly cloudy skies on Tuesday and on Wednesday. We'll see highs both days in the mid 70s. Rain chances on the increase starting late Wednesday afternoon, and especially on Thursday. Thursday could actually turn out to be a pretty wet day as we're going to have a cold front moving through the area. Behind it, we'll bring some drier air just in time for the end of the work week into the weekend. And afternoon highs Friday and Saturday back about the same as today, right around 66.
Well, a special story out of the Midwest now, where students at a Henryville